Iran is governed by Islamic rules. There are some restrictions on the attire of men and women in society. Women must wear headscarves in public and clothing that does not show their bodies. Men should wear long trousers. Additionally, men and women are never allowed to touch each other unless they are relatives. Therefore, visitors should not hug or shake hands with opposite-sex acquaintances who are not relatives. The Iranian army has a deep-rooted history. Iran, due to its location, must always be prepared for war. It is practically in the center of the world. Additionally, because of its rich underground resources, it always needs an army that can defend itself very well. Iran is an ancient civilization that has been waging wars that have shaped the world for thousands of years. Iran always has a strong army. Iran is one of the countries with the most strained relations with Western countries. It avoids using Western products and is known as a country trying to stand on its own. A large part of its economy is owed to the underground resources it possesses, and all developed countries impose an embargo on Iran. In Iran, many services from Western countries are hardly used. Most social media applications are not used in this country, and heavy penalties are imposed on those who use them. However, a large part of the Iranian population, tired of these bans, uses these social media applications through illegal means. Iran is the country where the most nose surgeries per capita are performed in the world. Iranian women, due to the veil rule, are among those who undergo the most nose aesthetic surgeries due to the focus on their faces. In this country, nose surgery is so common that some people continue to wear bandages on their noses even after the operation. Zoroastre, l'un des grands prophètes du monde antique, était un réformateur qui a vécu dans l'est de l'Iran. Il a introduit la croyance en un seul dieu dans l'ancienne Perse. Zoroastre, considéré comme un prophète dans l'ancienne Perse, est apparu 258 ans avant Alexandre le Grand. L'origine de la religion de Zoroastre remonte jusqu'à l'Iran moderne. Cette religion a été enseignée pour la première fois par Zoroastre dans cette région vers le VIe siècle avant notre ère. De plus, le zoroastrisme était la religion officielle de l'Iran et a prévalu pendant la majeure partie de l'Empire perse. Les effets de cette religion sont toujours visibles dans la culture et la société iranienne. L'Iran a réalisé de grands progrès dans l'accès à l'éducation et la participation des femmes au Moyen-Orient. Bien qu'il y ait beaucoup d'ingérence dans la vie privée des femmes, il n'y a pas d'obstacle à leur éducation. En Iran, les femmes reçoivent aujourd'hui une éducation universitaire à des taux proches de ceux des hommes et font carrière. Une grande partie de la population féminine du pays reçoit une éducation universitaire.